Hello friends, welcome back to SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in NX software. You can see the base dimension 98 by 42, height is 20 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select new model. If you want, you can change the name here. And also change the location if you require. Okay, select extrude, select the plane, select rectangle, select center rectangle, give the dimension 98, enter, 42, enter, finish sketch, extrude up to 20 mm. Okay, next you can see there is a one arc shape that diameter is 42, R21. There is a one more also that diameter is 20 mm. From the top height is 21 mm, thickness is 14 mm. Select extrude, select the plane, select the circle, diameter 42, give the dimension 20 plus 21, 41 mm. Here give the horizontal constraint, click here geometric constraints, select horizontal vertical alignment, select this and this. Okay, select line, select the quick trim, trim these two lines. This dimension you don't require. Select the circle again, create on diameter 20 circle. That's it, finish sketch. Here select symmetric, length we required 14 mm. Okay, next you can see there is a one cutout that dimension is both the side 14 mm and 6 mm height. For that select extrude, select this surface, select the rectangle, here select 2-point rectangle, give the dimension 14 mm, height is 6, here 2, here 14. Okay, finish sketch. Select here subtract, reverse the direction, here select until selected, select this surface, here enter 0. Okay, next there are two holes that diameter is 12 mm, from the side 24 and pitch is 50 mm. For that select hole, select the surface, give the dimensions from the side 24, pitch is 50 mm, this dimension is 21. Here select geometric constraint, select the horizontal alignment, click this and this. Finish sketch. Hole diameter is 12 mm. Okay. That's it, friends. You can compare both the drawings. All the features are added. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. If you want, you can give the radius. Okay. Save the part file saved. Here select menu, select tools, select materials, assign material, go with aluminum. Which material you want, you can select here. Select the entire body. Okay. Now you can change the color here. Go menu, edit, object display, select entire body. Okay, here change color. So which color you want, you can select here. So here you can see views are there. This is top, front view, right, left, back and bottom. This is the isometric view. That you can hide this datum coordinates. Here you can see, select this and hide. So that's the today's session, friends. I am requesting, please, I am near to 1k subscription. Please do subscribe my channel and support me. In the upcoming classes I will do all the difficult parts also. That's what today's session, friends. Thanks for watching this video.